I'm picking up this CAT question today. So we'll solve this question towards the end. So if you can solve the question, please pause the video and try to solve. समझा नहीं भैया, पहली बार में वही ये कहना क्या चाहते वाला फील आएगा कि यार भाई तुम बोल क्या रहे हो, what is trying to say in this question. Yeah, we'll solve this question in the end. But today's main agenda is a formula based DI because this is one of the most important topic in every exam. So today we are keeping the workshop for that. So your homework today is to solve formula based DI. And whoever solve the maximum number of questions in formula based DI will get a mug. Yeah, you have to just complete the formula based question. Google, yeah, you can Google it out or you can open up your books. Almost every book on this earth contain the formula based DI questions. And it can come anywhere. It can come from in any exam, from CAT, CET, SNAP, NMED. It can come everywhere. This is common in almost every exam. Okay. So you have to call our team. The number is given in the description box. Call any of the numbers. Tell them how many questions you have solved with the proof. So anybody solving more than 5 sets plus should call. ऐसा नहीं कि एक की और call कर दिया, नहीं. You have to solve minimum 5 sets, then call. Hi guys, whenever the examiner want to make the question tough, yeah, or they look scary or look stylish, they give you a formula based DI. Let it be any exam, right from CAT to CET, you can expect this question in any of the exam. It can come in CAT also, it can come in CET also, it can come anywhere. Okay, formula based DI is basically they'll give you a formula and you solve the question based on that. So today I'm conducting this workshop at 7 PM. So in case you want to attend the workshop, just call the numbers given in the description box. Yeah, and join our program for that. So today 7 PM we're going to talk about the formula based DI. Okay, so I'll give you CAT ka question today to solve. But before we go to that CAT ka question, I want to make you one easy question to make you understand this topic. Okay, let's look at this question here. Now this is a formula based question. They'll give you the formula for company A and company B. Which year have shown the maximum profit for the company B? So company B ka maximum profit was within which year? So please pause the video and try to solve. समझेगा नहीं यार, पहली बात में क्वेश्चन समझ नहीं आएगा. Yeah, which has shown the maximum profit by company B? Okay. So today 7 PM we're launching this workshop in which we're going to solve all these questions without pen. Okay. Now here we have another question here. The graph is shown here. I'll give you the question. Yeah, so this is the question in front of you. You can pause the video and try to solve. They're giving you the profit percentage for 2 companies. I'll not solve the question. Look at the size here. Look at the size of the question. Today at 7 PM, we'll solve all these questions without touching pen. Officially, this is answer. इधर से start होगा, इधर जाके खत्म होगा. Yeah, answer is 102. You can pause the video and you can try to solve. But we are going to solve this without touching pen, with minimum calculation, of course, मतलब minimum calculation. Okay. So we'll avoid all these things. This is where the shortcuts come into picture. Shortcut is basically common sense. Yeah, this is percentage. If we have जिधर percentage आ गया, I don't need to use X. Wherever you use X, Y, Z, your time taken to solve the question become double or triple. I don't use X at all. I use the value of 1. Power of 1. Alright, this is the CAT question I was talking about, how to solve this question. So you can pause the video and you can read. कितना data यार, DI, DS, sales का data, 2 formula, deficit intensity, deficit for the year, growth rate of the deficit intensity, GDI. There are various formula given to you here. 3 formulas given to you. Use this formula to find the highest growth rate in the deficit intensity is approximately how much. So I have to use this formula. You can pause the video and you can try to solve. चलो एक और चीज़ करते हैं. I'll give you the answer. If you have tried, एक बार try कर लो try. I'll give the answer as well. This is the answer. I don't know if you can see that. Let me increase the size of this. 7.6. मैं आपको यहाँ पे लिख देता हूँ. 7.6 minus 6.3 divide by 6.3 into 100 is my answer. चलो मेरे को इतना बता दो कि ये कैसे मिला. What is this values? What is 7.6? What is 6.3? कुछ डेटा नहीं है यहाँ पे. Now let's solve this question. What is deficit for the year? is import minus export. I have to look at the value of import minus export. I have to look at the gap of this thing. 14.2 minus 9.2 is 5. Yeah, 6.2 minus 8.2 is 6. 15.5 minus 7.9. This is the way I have to calculate each of them. That is your deficit. And then use the formula di minus this divided by 100. Then calculate each of them. Okay. Alright, so this is the way we have to solve the question. So there are two questions based on this set. So you can pause the video and try to solve. Alright, all the best.